Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to take slow motion video in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open the camera app. Now after opening the camera app, it will open the photos mode by default. So to take a slow-mo video, swipe left and go to the slow motion mode, and to start video click on this capture option, and now the recording is started. So you can see this is the slow motion video. So that's how you can record slow motion videos in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.